Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here helping you on question number 12. Wilson runs the 1-mile race for his track team. Each day in practice he completes 10 laps around the track. Each lap is 440 yards. How many more miles does Wilson run in practice than in a meet? Alright, so let's visualize our track. If we're going to take one lap around, so let's say he starts over here. He takes the one lap around, goes all the way around. Then that's 440 yards. Now he's doing that 10 times, so that's 1 time, 2 times, etc. So that means we would need to figure out how many yards he's running. If he's doing 10 laps, we have to multiply these two numbers together. 44 times 1 is 44, and we have 2 zeros to throw on there. So we're basically looking at 4,400 yards that he runs in practice. All right, now we need to convert that to miles because when he's running at the track meet, he's running a mile race. So let's convert this to miles. We have 4,400. Let me move this over a little bit. 4,400 yards, and we want to convert that to miles. Now, when you look at your favorite conversion chart and you look at the yard to mile conversion, see that's right here, we have to turn that into a conversion factor. And the answer to the question, how do you know how to write it if we're going to use multiplying that number with this, we would want to have whatever unit we're converting to, because we have it in yards and we want it in miles, we want that to be on the top. And then the unit that we're in, we want to put that on the bottom with the idea that that's going to cancel out. The yards cancel out. All right, so if we want the miles on the top, it's 1 mile for every 1,760 yards. So we'll put that number right here. And again, we're getting that information from right here, from a conversion table. All right, so now we have our calculator. Let's use it. We're doing this divided by this. 4,400 divided by 1,760 equals, and we get this. So that's 2.5, and that ends up being miles. All right, now that's not the answer. They do offer that as a choice, and a lot of people are going to fall for that, but we're not done yet, because the question is asking, how many more miles does Wilson run in practice than at a meet? When he's running at the meet, he's running 1 mile. At practice, he's running 2.5 miles. That means we have to take the 2.5 miles and we have to subtract the 1 mile, which we're going to represent that as 1 and 0 tenths. By the way, make sure you make that decimal more conspicuous than I did. We're subtracting those two things. And when we subtract these two things, you're going to see the answer choice. Now, this is going to be in decimal format. If you don't know how to turn it into a fraction, make sure you check some of the videos that I have posted on how to do that. All right, good luck finishing this up.